Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled paneer sandwich. This can be eaten at any time of the day really. A good one for breakfast as well, or if you want to you can have it at lunchtime with some salad. I've decided to do this because it's really light and it's quite nutritious as well. And for this you will be needing paneer. I've grated it. If you don't have grated paneer, you could just use cubes of paneer that you could just crumble. And I'm going to add to it sweet corn, and I've already prepared it. It's washed and ready. Finely chopped onions, coriander leaves, and green chili. That's one chili chopped. It's quite spicy, so I'm using small chili. You will need your salt, some black pepper grounded, finally butter. The main thing is you will also need your white bread. I've got 2 slices here. So to start with, you're going to mix all of this in a bowl. Add the grated paneer. Spoonful of corn, just 1 spoonful is enough. Chopped onion, some coriander leaves, chili. If the chili is too hot, obviously you have to put less. Black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Tiny little bit, and mix. Now just put this aside, and we will be preparing the bread. So take 1 bread and spread over the mixture. Spread it over everywhere. And you could also, if you like butter, you could also choose to put some butter on top. And then just add a generous amount of butter on top of this. Okay, the pan is now hot, so we're just going to put the bread on the side where we've applied the butter, this way. While it's cooking on the other side, we'll just apply a bit more butter on this side. This butter will make it crisp on both sides. Right over everywhere. Flip it on the other side. Let it cook on this side as well. Don't forget, if you think it's not cooked enough, you can still flip it a couple of times to make sure you get the desired color you want. I'm going to turn it one more time on this side. That's the color I'm looking for. That's it. I think it's now. Okay, well, the toast is now ready, and I'm going to put it on this board and use a knife to slice it right middle here, diagonally, just 1 cut. And have it here. Looks beautiful, and it's nice and crisp on the outside, and the vegetable look like it's cooked from inside.